In this video, I will show you how to check who has unfollowed you on Instagram. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right to access your settings. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature to track people who have unfollowed you, but there's a workaround to find out. Tap on Account Center at the top, scroll down, and select your information and permissions. From here, you can download your information. Tap on the second option, Download your information. Then choose Followers and Following. Hit Next and make sure you're downloading the required data for Instagram. Choose the date range you want, such as all time, and hit Save. Tap Create Files to start the download process, which might take 5 to 10 minutes. Once the file is ready, download it and find the Followers folder. To identify who has unfollowed you, compare the list of your followers and the people you follow. Copy the list of followers, then open a web browser and go to comparelist.com. Paste your followers list into list A and your following list into list B. The tool will highlight any accounts you follow that no longer follow you back. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.